Hello everyone, welcome back again, and I hope you all are doing well. And in today's video I'll be sharing with you how to make one of Ghana's delicacy. It's called Etor locally, and it's also called mashed ripened plantain. It's very sweet and very delicious, so I hope you will enjoy this recipe. And please don't forget to subscribe, like, and also share. So now let's go ahead. I have here 3 ripened plantain and also 2 unripened plantain, and to that I'll be adding some spring onion, peanut butter paste, 1 Scotch bonnet pepper, some salt, salted fish, palm oil, red onion, and some avocados. So let's get started. And to begin with, I'll first wash my plantains. I'll peel the skin and cut them into 3 each. So this food has been one of Ghana's most delicacy food, and it has been eaten for many years. And growing up, my mom used to cook this food for us. We all sit down and enjoy it. And it's also very healthy. And with this food, when you start to eat it, make sure you have water sitting by you, because it goes very well with water. So at this point, I've washed my plantains, my eggs, and I've added 1 pepper to it, and I'll add a pinch of salt, and I'm going to cook it on a medium heat for about 10 minutes. Now I'll go ahead and cut my onions. And I'm going to be grinding my onion, pepper, and everything in this earthenware. It's used mostly in every household in Ghana. And this food is all about mashing. Yes, we are not going to boil or cook anything on the stove. Just mash everything, and you are good to go. So I'll now add my pepper, a pinch of salt, and I'll grind it very well until it's very smooth. I'll add now chargrill my salted fish for a few seconds, and I'll go ahead and add it to the sauce. So I'll keep grinding. At this point, my plantain and eggs are all done. So I'll start by mashing the plantains. It has to be very hot to be able to mash. So straight away from the stove, just keep mashing it. And I hope you have enjoyed this recipe to this point. And please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. And to be honest, I haven't had this food for such a long time, and I'm happy to share with you, so we can all enjoy this Ghana delicacy. And I hope you all are enjoying your Christmas. Happy Christmas to you all. So I'll repeat and keep mashing until it's all done. I'll now go ahead and add the peanut butter paste. And I'll keep mashing. Remember, I told you it's mashing. So keep mashing. So I have heated my palm oil and I'm going to add it gradually and mash to combine. And it will give the plantain a very nice color. And the aroma in my kitchen smells so good. And at this point, our etor is almost done. And I'm going to go ahead and garnish it with some peanuts, roasted peanuts. Etor goes well with peanuts, some avocados. And also boiled eggs. So you can use any amount of eggs you wanted, 2 or 3, but I am using 5 eggs. And also spring onion have a very nice flavor, so I'm going to garnish it with some spring onions. And we are good to go. And please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. And I hope you will try this recipe. So we are all done. Thank you so much for watching. So I'm going to sprinkle a little bit of oil to it. Oh my God, look at my presentation. Just let me know how this presentation looks. Yes. Oh, and I'm about to dig in. Thank you so much for watching to this point, and I'm going to see you in my next video. I'll list the ingredients in the description box below. Until then, bye. Have a good Christmas. Have a blessed week.